welcome back to my channel. Well, as you can see, I have company here. Okay, so you know my mom from Designs by Joni L. This is my niece, Sophie.
Hi.
Okay. Stop. Okay, so we are here. As you all know, Mom and I did a shop with us at Hobby Lobby. And now we're here to show you what we actually hauled. But first I wanted to let everybody know that I do have my Magnolia Housewife t-shirts, and I took everyone's suggestion and I did, it says the Magnolia Housewife, and then it has the butterfly like this. They are unisex t-shirts, so they come in a wide variety of sizes. They're going to be $19.99. And I have a lot of different colors. You can get them in a dark heather gray, or a Tahiti blue, or a light pink, or a banana cream, or this white like I'm wearing. They're very comfortable. When they wash, they don't shrink. So I love that about it. And they are true to size. I'm wearing a small, and I always wear a small. So the link will be in the description box below to order. So I'm so excited, and thank you all for giving me such wonderful ideas. And I'd like to thank you for those of you that are going to order my shirt, for supporting my channel. It does mean a lot to me. Okay, so let's get into the haul, okay? I look like the person that didn't buy very much, but I'll show you what I purchased, okay? Let me start off with this. This you probably saw in our shop with us. It's blessed, and it's a sign, and it just has the pumpkins with the pretty colors, and it hangs up like this. It was $19.99. I know you all can't see that from back here, and it wasn't on sale at all, but I wanted to go ahead and pick it up. I really loved it. And then this was a surprise for me, but I thought I'd include it in the haul. My husband, our anniversary is coming up very soon, and I started to buy this when Mom and I were shopping, and it says Live, Love, Laugh. It's $19.99. It's very heavy, and I just thought it was beautiful, but I didn't get it, and I told my husband about it, and he kept saying, oh, you need to get it, you need to get it. Well, he had to go out of town, and after I dropped him off, he called me and said, I think I left something in my trunk. And he said, so check, and I checked, and this was in the trunk. So I thought that was really sweet. So I have that, and then I hauled these mini pine cones. They were $4.99, but they were, I think they were on sale, or I used my 40% off coupon. I'm not sure, but they were, I got them cheaper than that. Then they have these beautiful stickers, and I know it's really hard to see. You're further away than you normally are, but it just has the girls, and that light shining too. It has the girls, and it has hair dryers and everything. They were $9.99, but they were they 40% off?
I think yeah, 40%.
Okay, 40% off. Then I got these two 8x10 canvases, and they were $2.99. They were on sale. I love that, and I already used one of them for that picture right back there, okay? And then I picked this up. This is actually the last thing that I purchased, because my other thing I was going to show came from somewhere else. So I hauled this 10x20 burlap canvas.
That's linen.
And it's linen, and I think it'll be really nice. And it was on sale. It's regular $9.99, but I think it was like $5
or $5.
Something like that. It was really inexpensive. So that's what I hauled. Not very much. These other shoppers outdid me. Okay, Sophie, you want to go next?
I guess go down the line.
Okay.
No,
Great.
Take it over.
Okay, so I got this from Hobby Lobby, and it's a hoodie, of course. Struggles real. So like it's just black, but I'm gonna probably do tie-dye or whatever. Yeah.
Put my Cricut
Yeah, your Cricut thing or whatever.
Infusible.
So, yeah, that's what I got. And I love hoodies, so.
And it was on sale. We were very surprised when we checked out.
Yeah. And then I got this picture from Pier 1, which I think is really, really pretty.
It was how much?
$9.95, and it was 20% off.
Uh-huh. She's going to put that in her bedroom.
That'll be pretty.
Yeah, because I'm changing my room around, so if you guys tell me that I need a channel in the comments and her comments, then I'll do it. If you get 20 comments, I'll do a channel.
Oh, okay. So
Oh.
give me 20 comments.
Sorry. But yeah, this is a candle from Pier 1. It's called Saltwater Taffy, and it was $9.95, and it was also 20% off. And it smells amazing. Yeah, it smells amazing.
It does. It smells like what?
It smells tropical.
Yeah, it does. It's
Sort of
really
coconut.
Coconut,
Mhm.
pineapple.
It's nice.
Yeah.
So next, well,
Yeah.
next we have this mug, and I think it's really, 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 really cute.
Where did you get it?
Pier 1 as well, and it was also, well, it was on clearance, so it was $5.48, but it was really.
What
I
does
think
it have on your front?
S, which is my initials, so.
Yeah.
I think that was really pretty.
Yeah.
And then next we have just Dollar Tree things, and I'm gonna start out with school stuff actually.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, don't mind what I move. I'll show you that in a minute. So I have these binders. I'll show you each by one. So here's this one. I think
That's
it's
pretty.
really pretty.
Yeah.
And then we have this one.
Oh, that's cute.
Focus the lighting. There we go.
Hearts.
Hearts and diamonds and eyes and then thunder, lightning, I should say. And then we have just this little pencil bag.
That's cute.
Yeah. Oh, I already did this one. What am I doing? And then we have this one, which is really cute.
That's so bright and cheerful.
It is.
Yeah, I'm
it
gonna
is.
put
What does it have on? I don't know if they can see that far away.
It has
Ice
the-
cream cone.
Yeah,
Right.
ice cream
And
cones,
pizza.
tacos, soda.
She's making me hungry.
right down her alley.
If you like Taco Bell, also comment that.
She loves
And
Taco Bell.
Now what it?
Back to what I'm doing, and these are just boring, but they're good for like to put your stuff in. So storage and stuff like that. You could put all your whatever you're using, like pencils or coloring pencils or markers. So yeah.
Okay.
She's gonna make good use of
And
those.
then I thought these were really cool. I like scented pens and markers. So yeah. And I haven't smelled them yet.
What colors did you get?
I got pink, blue, and purple. And I like purple, but I don't like pink. But that's okay.
Oh, and they smell like grape.
Blueberry and strawberry
Oh, that's
So-
good.
raisinets. They're good.
And we're going to go to the movie. So we have to stock up before we get to the movie.
And we got a mirror.
For your locker, I'm assuming.
Yeah, for my locker. I'm gonna start school soon. And then I got airheads. Yeah. So here you go.
Alright.
And then this is my student planner, but I'll probably get one anyways because that's what they normally do in school. But I'll still use it like what I need to do every day and still plan in it. So that's gonna be fun. And then I have another pencil pouch thingy, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what to call it. And then we got Junior Mints. Okay. And I have this, which I've tried it before, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But if I did, then I know that they're really good.
Which one were you eating coming up the road?
Yeah, speaking of that, I got really hungry. But we don't speak of that because, you know, that and well, that
Yeah.
when I'm around candy, Like, don't get me around candy. I'll start eating it. So, yeah. But, yeah. Let's not speak of that.
Now,
And
what
it
is
is
that?
sour Skittles. So if you guys like that, that's awesome. Great. Happy for you. Go ahead. If you don't like them, don't hate on me because they are good. But anyways, I got these marbles. I have some ideas. And I'm going to put it in this little bowl thing. If you guys could see it.
It's gonna
My
be pretty.
hand looks really big in this camera. Don't judge me on what I said. But I'm going to put like these in here and do something. You guys can comment below what I should do. I'm sorry I'm taking over your channel.
Tell them,
That's okay.
tell them what I told you that I thought would look cute in there. In one of your bowls. The other one, I believe.
Oh, the other one. Oh,
The
yeah.
succulent.
Okay, so I want to create my own plant thing, which is going to look really pretty.
Mm-hmm.
And then we got these other marbles. That was really cool. I'm going to put these in here, so.
She's going to put a succulent on top.
Yeah, I'm going to put a succulent on top.
It's
and,
hard to tell what she may do.
That's for sure.
And then you have this last thing.
And then I have this also pencil thing as well. Which you can use it for anything. I mean, not anything, but, you know. But
We all bought one of those.
Yes,
Yeah.
we are.
I got a pink one.
I'm sorry, but I'm going to have to say this, but your lip gloss is really tingling my lips. Sorry, like, I'm sorry, it's just bothering me, but, like, I'm trying to talk and I feel like I can't even do anything. But I'm good.
You're doing a great job, I
Yes,
think.
you are.
Now,
being a
next
novice.
person over.
Yours
Hand
truly.
it over. Hand it over.
Yours truly speaking.
Nice to talk to you guys. Peace.
Okay, click.
Turn it off.
Okay, guys, this is Joni. You know me by now. I have got some things at the house that I forgot to even bring
Hey, I
with
have
me.
some stuff I didn't get. Where'd you get that?
It was in my bag.
These two fight over everything. And I just sit back.
I got these the other day.
I did
and
too. What did I do with
I don't
mine?
know what you did with yours.
Well, I'll say ditto and ditto when she shows hers.
Okay, this I got at the Dollar Tree. I got a bag like Sophie got. And then I got a sketch pad with some paper in it because I'm going to be doing some of my markers. And I have to have a place to put my numbers for my markers in. And that's what I got that for. And then I love these little containers that I have the little clips, not their clips, but their little snaps. Because I use them for my debit card receipts. And I can use
Sorry,
5,
but I'm
6,
tired.
7. You're interrupting.
Sorry.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And then, no, yeah, I was going to say, I got more than this. This fall, I am planning on going black and white.
And blue all over.
Let's
Do you see what I have to put up with from these two characters? These two characters give me a hard time. You guys are going to have to help me out. I have been wanting this last year and this year, and I couldn't find it last year and couldn't find it this year. And the other day I ran into this
Plaid.
plaid, but it's a runner.
Oh.
That's what I was trying to think of, runner. And so I'm going to go with black and white in my kitchen this fall. Good Lord's will. And then I bought these, and believe it or not, I keep telling you about my studio. I bought 2, 4, 6. So I'm going to take these and put them in my bookcases, and all of my inks and glitters and all such things as that's in little bottles, they're going into that. And so I'm hoping to disguise them and make it look better and clean up a lot around there. Then I bought some of these little pumpkins. That's
Now,
what
I bought
Tanya
some of
is
those.
about to explode over.
I did. I bought that and I bought some of those.
I know you
I don't know where they're at.
We bought them at the same time. And these have been sitting here at your house since I bought them.
No, they were at your house. Those were at my house.
Well, then, wherever they've been.
Where'd you get those?
I'm going to holler foul any minute. Then I bought these little pumpkins and leaves. And I thought I would use these things for my planner because I'm going to start tomorrow, good Lord's will, officially with my planner again. And I bought some more markers, just little Sharpies, in case I need them because they have such a fine tip. And then I bought this, these were on sale for $5, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And they're the little girls that go in your planners, and I thought they were so cute. So I got that, and then I bought this, Sophie.
I think that was Hobby
Can you tell
Lobby.
Mama how much that was?
$4.99.
$4.99, because I don't have my glasses on. But it is so pretty. It's a little bird, but it's bigger than most of the birds. And it has sparkles on it. So I thought I would get one of those. And I love it. And then, of course, Sophie got an S. I had to have a J because we go together, right? J. Then, of course, I also got one of these garbage containers. And I was thinking about putting my shavings in it, but I saw then that it didn't fasten. So I don't know that
I wonder if we could put a magnet on the top and the bottom.
We probably could. That'd be a good idea.
I was thinking
hadn't thought of
But
that.
if you it would lift up like that so it would get out.
It would.
It probably would.
Well, we'll do
We'll
something.
just be careful.
Okay, so then I was telling you all about my stuff for my coloring. And I needed some things for the background to color it. So these are just chalk for children. And they're not the ones that have oil or anything in it. It's just regular children's chalk. And then, of course, the candy that I picked up was the Junior Mints and Butterfingers.
She stocked up.
I've been taking my probiotics and my green tea so I can eat some chocolate now. But I bought 4 boxes of those. But then, you all will probably be happy. I'm going to make an arrangement out of these. I bought these. They were so pretty. And I'm going to make a nice arrangement out of those. And everybody else may be getting ready for fall, but right now I'm putting out my summer things because it's 111 degrees down here. And then I got these.
You got a really good deal on those.
Yeah, I did. I love these baskets. And they were just sitting there. And I bought this one, and it's big.
Yeah,
I don't remember.
I think
know-
one was $8, and I don't
I
remember.
think this one was about
They were on
$5.
sale. They were
5 or 6.
60% off.
They were a big.
The original price is $59.99.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
got these at
and
Hobby
that-
Lobby, didn't we?
Yes,
Yeah.
and it
Well,
was
I
on
thought-
sale.
It was 60%.
Yeah, that's what I thought. But I got. Well, I don't know if I showed you the big one. There's the big one. Here's the one by it. So that is how nice that is. So that's the extent. Well, I left some things at the house that I forgot, but you would not believe. We have been around the horn, as the saying is today. We just drove in with her. We went down and picked her up, brought her back.
Long
We stopped
drive.
and ate on the way home and drove straight in.
By the way, shout out to Cracker Barrels. They're good.
And sat down and started making Tanya's haul. So I will be back with my haul after this. And I think we're going to try to see what Sophie does too. So we'll talk with you guys later, and I'll turn it back over to Tanya.
I was going to say, I've lost control. I've totally lost control.
Sorry, we took over your channel.
I know, I've been hijacked. But, well, like I always say, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.